Here's a style of Mustang we're starting to see a little more often at Unique, especially in classics. SN95 New Edge Mustang. This particular one, 2004 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles at 17,847 on the odometer right now. The original owner of this car bought it brand new, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and had this vehicle until May of 2022. Beautiful red fire mist metallic paint with the medium parchment leather sport bucket seats, and you can tell this one has been well taken care of, no doubt about that. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood, of course, with the GT, and this also has the upgraded optional automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and obviously you can see what kind of condition that paint is in. Yes, this one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Speaking of pictures, check out over 100 pictures of this car online at Unique, especially in classics. Our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. This car is still riding on the original Goodyear radials, FYI. Mustang GT wheels. So you can tell with the age of those tires and that they're still on the car. This car was driven moderately, adult owned and driven. There is a couple small kind of just spots in the clear, but boy, that's being awful fussy. As far as the interior, like new condition, one of those where it had floor mats on the floor mats. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Original exhaust on this car. The Ford mufflers. Take a look at the underside pictures so you can see the floor pans and the underside of this car. Remarkably clean and nice shape. I mentioned extra floor mats on the floor mats. They're right there. I will throw them in the trunk. It does have the stock cloth floor mats in the front seats. And once again, the still pictures so you can see everything I'm talking about. You'll be able to check out the original window sticker, owner's manual. There's also the interactive CD for the owner's experience that's in with that. There's actually every receipt that the original owner had done to this car is with it. Actually, the original purchase agreement and everything. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. As you can see, up and down the driver's side, also very clean, good luster to the paint, and like I said, pretty much free of any nicks, dings, or scratches. There was one little tiny one, if I can get it to show up right there, if you can see it. And again, let's pick it apart. Looking for some very minute things, a tad bit of a touch-up spot right there, if you can see it, and it's tough, like I said, to even get them to show up. There you can kind of see it. All right, power windows and locks, of course, power mirrors. Take a look at the door panels. Of course, power seat on the driver's side. And again, medium parchment leather, and as you can see, it is hardly worn in the bolster or the seating area. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. All right, let's go ahead. I got to grab the keys a second here. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. We're going to check out the engine bay, snoop over the rest of this car. There's your miles, 17,847. As you can see, no warning indicators, no check engine lights, nothing out of the ordinary there. That was a cold start. All gauges working. So also would have the Mach stereo system, MP3 capabilities, rear defrost, traction control, again AC, and AC blows cold, the optional automatic with overdrive transmission. Dash is in good shape. You can tell the car was stored indoors, no doubt about that, with paint condition, dash condition, interior. Of course, both rear seats in this car will fold forward. If you needed to haul anything longer in the trunk, you can. Slip around to the back. It's going to sound like a stock 04 Mustang GT. Of course, this is a 40th anniversary model year also. It's kind of a cool bonus. Still carries Sioux Falls Ford where it was sold new. Insignia in the rear. That is just vinyl. If you wanted to take it off, a heat gun, and it will come right off. Just thought we'd leave it on there. This car is so original. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, the hood popped. Of course, the hood liner, you can tell this thing hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. How clean that hood is, and look at that. Engine bay, just as clean as the exterior, underside interior of this car. Again, for only just shy of 18,000 miles, a little over 17,000 miles. What you would expect, nice smooth running 4.6 liter. Of course, the GT engine. And remember, one owner car up until May of 2022. Original owner's manual, original window sticker, all the receipts of anything that was done to this car, and actually the original bill of sale, all in that owner's name. Again, up until May of 2022. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in an email.